Croeso nôl. Neis eich gweld chi eto. Rwan ta. Talking of neis eich gweld chi, do you know who's going to be lovely to say hello to? Hen ffrind I Cariad at Iaith, Meirion Jones, yr artist. Mae'n dod I gael sgwrs efo ni. Be good if he could give us a gwers arlunio, really. Wyt ti'n gallu arlunio? Can you draw?
Litym bach.
Wyt ti?
Litym bach. Fi'n licio, what is it, drawing again?
Arlunio.
Arlunio. I missed that exercise because I didn't do Cariad at Iaith last year, did I?
No.
I was there, though, filming for Hwb.
Reit dipyn bach o hanes Meirion. Mae Meirion yn fab i'r artist enwog arall, a Meirion Jones, wrth gwrs. Mae nhw'n byw yn y gorllewin gwyllt in the Wild West, yn Aberteifi. Ac roedd...
Eitha gunslinger.
Roedd Meirion yn gweithio fel athro Cymraeg. So you might be checking up on my Cymraeg today. Yeah, then athro Cymraeg.
Really?
Am 10 mlynedd, 10 years, cyn mynd yn artist proffesiynol. Mae Meirion, 3 words sydd yn bwysig, yn licio arlunio.
Arlunio.
Pobl.
He likes people. That's good to know.
Ti'n iawn? Na, mae'n licio arlunio. Neu,
arlunio pobl.
Neu peintio, ie.
Okay.
Tirluniau. Tir. Tir, ti'n gwybod beth ydy tir?
Na.
Tirlun. Landscapes.
Oh, I love a good landscape painting.
Tirluniau.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Arluniau, tir...
Tirluniau. So, llun, picture.
Tirluniau.
Tirluniau, landscapes. A yr arfordir, coast.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a great word, listen iawn.
Arfordir.
So, môr is sea.
Yeah.
Tir is land. Arfordir, literally on the sea and land, so the coast.
Arfordir.
Right, so beth wyt ti'n?
Beth wyt ti'n?
What do you?
What do you?
So, you can ask him, what do you paint?
Beth wyt ti'n... What's paint again?
Well, ti'n gallu dweud paintio.
Paintio?
Yeah, to paint.
Brilliant.
But then that can
That's again
also
why I
mean
love our language
that
sometimes.
you paint the skirting boards, you know? It's a little bit, I think, about painting.
Oh, so it's... To make it a bit more artistic.
Arlunio.
Arlunio.
Yeah.
Paintio, then. Beth wyt ti'n paintio? Neis. Paintio neis.
Arlunio doesn't mutate, though, so it's easier. Beth wyt ti'n arlunio?
Paintio. It would be a paintio, wouldn't it?
Da iawn.
Diolch.
Wedyn, sut wyt ti'n?
Sut wyt ti'n?
So, how do you start a picture?
Sut wyt ti'n... What was the word again?
Dechrau.
Dechrau llun.
Yeah.
Ble wyt ti'n?
Ble wyt ti'n? So, where do you paint? So, where do you draw?
Ble wyt ti'n paintio?
Yeah.
Paintio?
Paintio.
Paintio. No soft mutation, because that wasn't on the list from You're Not a Nia. It wasn't. I studied it hard.
Da iawn, babes.
For all of 13 seconds.
Dudalen nesa?
Okay. Sut faset ti'n disgrifio? How would you disgrifio? How would you describe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Felly, sut faset ti'n disgrifio your work? Dy
gwaith.
Dy waith.
Dy waith. Is it a treiglo?
Sut faset ti'n disgrifio dy waith?
Sut faset ti'n disgrifio dy waith?
Neu, sut faset ti'n disgrifio'r byd celf yng Nghymru? How would you describe the world of art in Wales?
Oh, this is good. We've gone highbrow.
Yes.
Sut faset ti'n disgrifio?
Byd celf.
Byd celf.
Yng Nghymru.
Yng Nghymru.
Ardderchog. Iawn.
Yeah.
Hapus?
Fi mor hapus.
Ardderchog.
Have we got a clip of Meirion in Cariad at Iaith?
Cariad at Iaith.
Because I was there.
He drew a picture of me.
Yeah.
Ac wir rwan. Ges I sioc. Oedd e'n uncanny. Oedd e'n mor debyg, dwi'n meddwl. It's amazing.
I'll draw a picture of you later on. Not a problem.
A na I wneud un ohono ti.
Gawn ni weld.